I don't live in the desert. I don't live anywhere near the desert. So when it came to the next state in my tour of the 50 state desserts, I had a little trouble again finding ingredients. Hello, I am Heather Ann with Finding Harmony, and normally you're going to find decluttering and minimalism and environmentally friendly tips here on my YouTube channel, but I am also taking you along on my self-imposed tour of the 50 states of the United States of America by way of dessert, alphabetically. So we're up to state 3, Arizona, and the Cactus Candy. Cactus Candy has been made by the Cactus Candy Company of Phoenix, Arizona since 1942. And it is made entirely with prickly pear cactus fruit that is grown in the state of Arizona. I don't live near a desert. Certainly I don't live in Arizona. Prickly pear cactus fruit is in season from September to December. I'm filming this in March. And I couldn't even find prickly pear cactus juice in my city. I actually have quite a lot of family that lives in Arizona, so if it were in season, I probably could get them to ship me some. But I had to get creative this month since I'm going to have trouble making cactus candy. So like last time with Alaska, when I couldn't find reindeer fat and seal oil because I didn't look for reindeer fat and seal oil, I am changing things up again. My challenge, my rules. I couldn't find prickly pear cactus juice, but I could find a prickly pear cactus water. But then what am I going to make with water? So the first thing that came to mind was a fruit smoothie. So I went to the great Google and looked to see what other fruit grew in the state of Arizona, and in an article about resilient fruit trees that can grow in Arizona, I saw number 1, peaches. And I have 8 gallons of peaches off my own tree in my freezer, so winner. I don't drink a lot of smoothies, so I did have to go and look up ratios of how to make a smoothie since I was inventing my own. I did not want it to be watered down by the ice cubes, so I did prep in my freezer prickly pear cactus water ice cubes to use in the smoothie. And I am going to be blending it all in my Vitamix blender here, which would probably blend nails into a smoothie if I needed it to. But any high-powered blender should work for making a smoothie. To make this smoothie, I'm dumping everything in the Vitamix. 2 cups of frozen peaches, 1 banana. I usually break them up to make them a little easier. 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1 cup of my prickly pear cactus water ice cubes, 1 cup of prickly pear cactus water, a dab of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. A splash of fresh squeezed lime juice. All right, I have gathered the family for our reactions to Cactus Candy. Reese is going right in. And our prickly pear cactus and peach.
I taste like those, you know, it's like traveling snack bars are like the weird like.
No, I have no idea what you're talking about.
That was the description I did not understand.
I completely missed that.
What do you think, Jason?
Like a kind of a gummy candy, you know, like a jelly candy.
Okay. What do you think, Sage?
They're quite tasty.
Pretty good, actually.
Pretty good?
They're tasty.
Okay. They're kind of big. Well, the description was like a gumdrop.
Yeah,
Gumdrop candy. That's the texture I
yeah,
was
but
thinking.
way
of.
bigger than a gumdrop.
It's good. It's tasty.
I can't read
Don't look at the
nutritional
calories.
information. I was looking at nutritional information.
I don't think it's going to be very prickly pearish.
It smells more peachy than.
Can
No, it's got more of a.
you taste the prickly pear?
Yes.
But it doesn't taste very peachy.
You have smoothie on your mustache.
That's good.
It doesn't taste peachy?
Is there banana in here also?
Yes.
Okay, I
There's
get
all
the
of that.
banana coming
It
through.
tastes like a sour banana.
It's very sour.
It's very sour. Okay. All right. Well, kind of thick, kind of hard to drink.
Yeah.
It's good though. I like it.
Peach ring texture.
It still tastes like a sour banana.
It does.
Risa says it tastes like a sour banana.
So this has the water in it.
This
the
has
cactus
the
water.
ice cubes made out of the prickly pear cactus water,
Mm-hmm.
and some of the. So instead of like milk you would normally use in a smoothie, it's got prickly pear cactus water.
It's Cactus LaCroix.
Cactus LaCroix.
Candies are good.
Candies are good.
This
These
tastes
are
like
alright.
sour banana, and this tastes like Cactus LaCroix.
I would like it if it was more juice.
Yeah, it either needs to be more juice or forget the juice.
It's
More
when
of
you-
the prickly- of this
it's
stuff?
like when
Yeah.
you suck up on a popsicle too much and you get up, you just are left with the ice and you just like the residual flavor,
Like LaCroix.
Yeah.
except not carbonated, so it's not garbage.
I hate LaCroix.
Thank you for continuing on this 50 state dessert journey with me. Be sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that you are notified of my next videos, both my dessert videos and my decluttering videos. Until next time, I hope your days are increasingly clutter-free and filled with the people and things that mean the most to you.